In this example, I will show you how to reorder the components within the specification tree. Select the main product. Click Graph Tree, Reorder an icon. Dialog box displayed listing the components and providing 3 buttons for reordering them. The first and second arrows are to move the selected component to the top and bottom, while the third one is to move the selected component to the specific location. Now, select Crank Frame and click the second arrow twice. Click Apply to preview the result. Now, select Crank Top and click the third button. Then select Crank Axis. As you see, Crank Top is now on top of Crank Axis. Click OK to confirm the operation. As you see, the application updates the specification tree.